When we were shooting for the song, I knew it would be big, but this big, I had no idea. They told me in 3 days we need to shoot this. So my reaction was like, huh? It was literally like, huh? It was a little like overwhelming. Will I be able to do it? Won't I be able to do it? I said, just give me some time. Let me call you back. I was like analyzing, do you think you can do this? A person like Ranveer, he is very focused. He's very, he gets into the character. So that's one side you see of him. He literally made sure that I get the limelight that I deserve or I need, and just to take me on stage and let me shine. I think that is so big-hearted. I have seen people are always fighting for screen time, fighting for footage, not wanting anybody else to shine. But that's not the case here.
Tamanna's name coming in, that she was approached, or
she would have killed it in her own way.
Yeah.
She would have owned it, and sometimes what's written for whoever's written is what will happen. To bring somebody up, you don't need to bring others down. I don't know how many times I need to say this, but just to bring another person up, please don't tear another person apart, because you don't know mentally how it can affect somebody. I was amazing, but don't tell me, that only you were amazing. That makes somebody else feel bad, and I'm not up for that.
My guest today is somebody who has proven that no matter what, if you have the right talent and you are dedicated enough, then you will get your due no matter what. And that is why we welcome today, to celebrate her success, Crystal D'Souza joins me today only on FPJ Showbiz. Hi Crystal, it's so lovely to speak to you.
Honestly, I love the way you just soothing me. I was listening to it. So soothing, so nice. Thank you for having me.
You're most welcome. I feel that about you because I have literally seen your journey as a fan. Then somebody, when I entered the media industry as somebody, oh my God, wow, I could, have conversations with her. And I remember we had a beautiful Zoom conversation during Chehre. And that just gave me this bit that, being a good actor or being good at a profession is one thing, but you're a very positive person, and that is something I took away from you. Even right now, your aura is so calm, so poised, so positive. I love it.
Thank you very much. I think, wow,
you're most welcome.
Needed.
Yeah. Let's start with the madness that's happening, around you, your dance and your song, and it's just become so big. And I feel everybody should get their due, like this one. If you've done a good job, everyone should praise it. Has it become very overwhelming?
Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Give me some more. I love it. This is what we crave for. Yeah. This is what we live for. This is what we work for. Yeah. And getting all of that overnight just makes me feel like, what just happened, when we were shooting for the song, I knew it would be big, but this big, I had no idea, because I knew the film is a big film. But your song, making it that big, I did not even imagine this. So for me, and I've been out of the country for a month.
Correct.
I've just come back, and I've come back to so much love, so much of literal adoration. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy for me, for the film, for Aisha, for everyone.
Yeah. Usually, sadly, in our industry, when two girls are together, if it's a show, if it's a movie, if it's a song, comparisons start. I think this is the first time. I didn't really read. Did you read any comparisons? Everyone was just praising both of you as a whole.
I think that's how it should be.
Yeah.
I've also said it in my post that she's the yin to my yang. And we both complement each other so well. We are different people. We are very, we look very different. We are very different. But somehow when we came together, it just, that amalgamation made something so beautiful. Like my mom was saying it yesterday. She's like, you both complement each other so well. So I mean, I've not heard many comparisons. Yes, a few, but it's doesn't matter,
Yeah.
I feel like she's so good at what she does. I'm good at what I do. When we come together, if it's going to make a product look better, then why the
not?
hell not?
Absolutely. This was also a very unique concept, wherein we saw two talented people come together, collaborate, and have a song. Usually, we've seen just one
Yeah.
actress be, and you know, the of course choreographer spoke about it, that wasn't our idea. We didn't want it to look like an item number that they call,
Yeah.
because it had to be in the story, and how beautifully it blended in the story,
Yes.
right? When it was first, when you were approached for it, what was your reaction like?
They told me in 3 days we need to shoot this. So
Oh.
my reaction was like, huh? It was literally like, huh? What do you mean? And honestly, it's not like I'm somebody who does a lot of dance reels or even
Yeah.
does dance. This is my first dance
First, yeah,
performance
yeah.
actually. So it was a little like overwhelming. Will I be able to do it? Won't I be able to do it? I said, just give me some time. Let me call you back. I was like analyzing. Do you think you can do this? My girlfriends were sitting with me. They're not from the industry as such. So they were like, of course, you are like literally our Dance India dance. You wherever we go, the way you dance, you enjoy doing it. Why would you doubt yourself?
Yeah.
I was like, you know what, you're right. I should not doubt myself.
Hmm.
And I called back and I said, yeah, I'll come in for the
Yeah.
test tomorrow. And we actually did a test
Oh.
where we tested out like around 7 to 8 hook steps.
Okay.
So this is not the only one that was decided.
Wow.
We had like 7 to 8 options, and we did all of that. I met Aditya Dhar sir, I met Vijay Ganguly sir, and they said, okay, you're on board. Let's start rehearsing from tomorrow and let's kill it. And that's what we did. We rehearsed non-stop. We went on set. I rehearsed separately. Aisha rehearsed separately. We went on set and we were just like so perfect together, like
Yeah.
literally, because rehearsing together would not have been possible since our lines were different. You know, only the hook steps was the same, but she's doing different lines, I'm doing different lines. It's just a waste of time when you know you have to wait for somebody else to finish their learning process. And just coming together and performing it just felt so good. The energy on the set was amazing, the vibes were amazing, and just like being on that set was like larger than
Yeah.
life. I enjoyed every minute.
Wow. How was your experience with so many, you know, other fantastic actors who were also on set? You know, that entire scene had Ranveer, Akshay, all of them. And Ranveer has been a hype man. Like, whenever he sees somebody who's talented, he just goes and hypes them up. That's what I've seen.
Yeah.
How was it, coordinating with everybody there?
Honestly, we've shot it all separately. Though in a master shot, everyone is there, but the song and everything we shot separately. So there was not much interaction. And on set, everyone is mostly in their character. Especially, I think a person like Ranveer, he is very focused. He's very, he gets into the character. So that's one side you see of him. And then there was the music launch where Ranveer Singh was the Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
He came into himself, and he literally like made sure that I get the limelight that I deserve or I need, and just to take me on stage and let me shine. I think that is so big-hearted, and that is so. Like, I feel so blessed to, even have somebody like that, because I have seen people are always fighting for screen time, fighting for footage, not wanting anybody else to shine. But that's not the case here. He is so, like, the way he just let me be. He's like, you do your thing, I'll copy you. The way he just like let me be and wanted me to shine in that moment. I think that was beautiful. And he also didn't take away from Jasmine and Madhubanti's moment, because he made them sing the whole song. And then he said, now one more time for Crystal. So I thought that was like, he let everyone shine. And I think in the film also, Aditya Dhar sir, as the director, has let every character breathe, every character shine, and every character stand out. And that is why I think this film is what it is, because you cannot drive something on one person. If everyone's in sync and if everyone is together, that's what makes the project special. So this project in general is so special.
Wow. You come across as somebody who's been a girl's girl. You've spoken about your girlfriends, how they have always been supportive, and so have you. But there was this one thing that happened with Tamanna's name coming in, that, she was approached, or there was some misconception, but that wasn't true. Tamanna wasn't ever approached for this song because they thought that they don't want to take away from the storyline. That is what the story was about. But there was a lot of controversy about her fans getting offended that they have maybe taken Tamanna out of the song, and all of that happened. When you read something about, I think this is a very positive time for everyone associated with the movie, because the movie is done so well. The songs have done so well. It has broken records. I read today's article. When these controversies sort of start, and then people from the film sadly have to come and clarify, as somebody associated with the song, how do you react to this?
Honestly, I mean, I did see it, and I felt like mm, she would have killed it in her own way.
Yeah.
She would have owned it, and sometimes what's written for whoever's
Yeah.
written is what will happen. You can't change anything like that. Approached or not approached, I'm sure she would have nailed it. Like there's no way that she wouldn't kill it. And even if Aisha was alone in the song, she would have killed it. If I was alone in the song, I would have killed it.
Absolutely.
Everyone would have done what they could do best. So I'm never going to take away from anyone who's hardworking, who's self-made, who has been consistent and is ready to put in the effort. So I feel like she's doing big things. She's going
Of
to do bigger
course,
things,
yeah.
and this is our time, and we are doing things, and
Yes.
we are going to do bigger things. So there's enough sun for everyone. As I've always
Absolutely.
said, everyone needs to shine. Like Ranveer Singh let us shine
Yeah,
on that
yeah.
day. Let everyone shine. Let everyone be. To bring somebody up, you don't need to bring others
True,
down.
that is
I
so
don't know
true.
how many times I need to say this, but just to bring another person up, please don't tear another person apart, because you don't know mentally how it can affect
Yeah.
somebody. So just live and let live. If you don't like something, you can take a backseat. You don't have to have an opinion about
Yeah.
everything. And even if you do, you don't have to voice out your opinion to make somebody feel bad. Make somebody else feel good.
Yeah.
It's great to make somebody feel good. Tell me I was amazing, but don't tell me, that only you were amazing. That makes somebody else feel
Correct.
bad, and I'm not up for that. Like, I really want everyone to do so well in life. I want everyone to be successful, because how is that going to harm me?
Exactly.
It's never going to harm me. It's going to take everyone up there, and why not? Why the not?
Only if everyone understood this, we would be living in a perfect world. But kudos to you for being so secure. Now that I'm speaking to you, I'm realizing you as an actor you are a very secure person. You know your
It's
talent, you
been
know your
17
worth. Yeah.
years.
The way you explained Ranveer, he comes across as a secure actor
Yes.
himself. Do you think when you have so much security on set amongst co-stars, your performance just elevates? Even you and Aisha, for that
Yeah.
matter.
She's a very confident girl. She's so good at what she does. Before I met her, I did stalk her because they told me Aisha's in it, and I went through her reels, and I'm like, oh my god, she's such a beautiful
Yeah.
performer. She dances
She
on
dances,
reels, and she
yeah.
dances so well. I've never danced. Like, I've danced for work on reels maybe, but just like out of I think shyness or something. Like, I don't have the guts to do it. But kudos to her,
Yeah.
man. She's so good at what she does. So it's just like, you're going to perform with somebody good. So your performance is going to look good.
Yeah.
Like, when you have a good co-actor for an intense scene, you know that scene is going to turn out
Absolutely.
well. So if you have a good person who's dancing with you, that dance is going to turn out well. So I was very happy when I saw it. I was like, yes, we're going to kill it. We're going to kill it, girl.
Now, Crystal, do you feel with so many positive reviews and appreciation coming your way, it's going to open way more doors for you? And do you think the way casting directors look at you, that's going to change a little?
I really hope so. I cannot predict the future. I don't know what the future has in store. But I really hope that, I get more opportunities to show different sides of me. I mean, thanks to Mukesh sir, I didn't even know that I could be a part of an item song. Like, when you look at me, that's not the first thing you think, right? So, the vision that they have is beyond our understanding. They know so much better.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy. I'm so grateful and thankful to them as well. But yeah, I want to open many more doors to different things to do. I mean, not just song wise, but
Yeah.
like films, OTT, television, for that matter. If there's something that I've not done before, I would love to do it. Like, I genuinely would love to do something different.
A lot of people are expecting and wanting and hoping for a cameo of you and Aisha in the part 2. Like, they
As
don't just
spies.
want, yeah, they don't just want the song. So Aditya, if you're watching this is a good idea. I don't know, how much of the shoot is left or what's happening, but this was just the comment that I
Yeah.
always go on the YouTube comments and read before an interview, and this was like the top comment that you girls should be in
Ooh.
it. How do you see that as?
I think I agree. I think, Aditya sir, if you're listening, add it.
Yeah, absolutely. But on that note, thank you so much, Crystal, for joining in. We are running a little late on time, but there's so much more I want to talk to you about. But of course, there'll be a better day for that.
Yes.
Congratulations, and we
Thank you.
hope to see you only do good work.
Thank you. I hope to only do good work.
Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, this is Crystal D'Souza, and you are watching me on FBJ Showbiz.